Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert CSS into your HTML. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel and it gives me more motivation to do more videos. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Open your editor. Okay, there are three ways. Okay, for it there are three ways to insert CSS. Okay, the first way is inline CSS, and the second one is internal CSS, and the third one is external CSS. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to design your HTML or your web page with inline CSS, with internal CSS, and with external CSS. Okay, I'm going to start from inline CSS. For example, if you have a tag, it doesn't matter, it can be heading, paragraph, whatever you want, and I'm going to give this paragraph color of red, and I'm going to make bold text. How to do that, how to design that? Inline is start with and inside the P you can type style. Okay, and inside the double quotation you can give, for example, background color. For example, background color should be red or yellow. Okay, and semicolon, then after that you can give any CSS property like color. For example, the color should be white, and let's see if it's work or not. Okay, I'm going to save that and open with live server. As you can see, the background color is yellow and the color is white. I'm going to change the color into black. Okay, and save it, and let's take a look, refresh the page. As you can see, this is how you can add or insert inline CSS. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to show you how to insert internal CSS. Internal CSS you can add here inside the head tag. Okay, it start with a style tag and end with a style tag, and you can design for example body. Okay, or let me change that into heading. For example, heading 2. Okay, heading 2, and I'm going to design, for example, H2. H2. For example, the background color could be, for example, this aqua, and font size I'm going to give 25 pixel. Okay, and this is how you can add the internal CSS, and let's see if it's if it works or not. The heading should have the background color aqua and the font size should be 25 pixel. Save it and let's see. As you can see, the background color and the font size has been changed with the internal CSS. Yeah, and now I'm going to show you how you can add external CSS. External CSS, you have to create new file. Okay, click here, and for example I'm going to give a style.css. the name of the file could be anything, doesn't matter, but the extension should be .css. Click on that, and I'm going to give this, for example, h3, not paragraph. Okay, and okay, go to style.css and h3. h3 should be a background color red, and the color of the text should be black. Okay, this is how I write my external CSS. And okay, save it. Once you save the file, you have to add this file into your HTML file. How we can do that? It's very simple and easy. Inside the heading tag, you should add, for example, like link, and it has two attributes, which is rel, and it should be a style sheet, and inside this you should add your file. For example, is style.css. okay, this is the file which you created here, and this is an external file, and how that's the way you can add the file into your HTML page. Save it, Control S, and h3 should have the background color red. Okay, as I define here, style.css, and the color should be black. Let's see. As you can see, this is how you can add external CSS. I hope it helped you, and you can practice. It's very easy and very simple. If you have any question, drop them please in the comments section, and I will be very happy and to answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.